Alright, so welcome back, my good friends. Let's talk about the blade syntax we have mentioned in the first video or in the second video, I think. The blade syntax is the syntax that it is like this, and it enables us to do some logic in our blade to view some data and hide some other data. So let's do something with the blade. For now, for example, let's erase this and let's pass it let's pass some data in the controller. Let's pass the title as a title. Okay, title, and we are going to remove these things. Okay, we don't want them for now, and let's set the title as code brain. Okay, and let's set, for example, a price. Let's say a price, and let's say that it is 15. And let's pass this price in the oops, I hate my keyboard. I bought this new keyboard and price. Okay, so we will now go to the about blade and we will do something here. Let's print out the title here. And let's go down here to make it a little bit small, and let's do an if statement. Okay, and how we do an if, we type the @ symbol and we type if and we do our condition, and we don't open and close the bracket. Nope, we type here and end if. Okay, if we want to do an else, we can do an else here. Okay, and we can do an else if also. Okay, and if we want to do an else also, we can do an else. So let's now check this price. So if the price is less than 15, okay, then we want to print out this h3 statement, which is the price is low. Okay, why 15? h3, and we want to print the price is good. Where is it? Good. If the price equal, oh my god, equals to 15, and otherwise we want to print the price is high if it is otherwise. Okay, so let's remove this. I think it will not be clear. Okay, so let's now refresh this page without the parameters, because if we refresh this, it will not recognize any parameters. So the price is good because it's 15. Okay, so let's change the price to, for example, let's say 20 and refresh. The price is high, and let's change this price to 14. It will say the price is low. Okay, so that's how to do an if statement. We can do a lot of useful things with this blade syntax or this if statement. We can check if the user is logged in, so we will show him some button like go to your dashboard or go to your account settings, and if the user is not logged in, so we will show him login first please to show this thing. So this if statement in the blade is very useful. You can't control this thing in the controller or any other place unless you are in the blade. Another thing you can do with the blade is we can do a for loop. We can loop for each in the in an array. If we got an array, if you got a list of products or list of anything, you can loop through them so you can view them all to the user. So as we did in the if statement, we will do here an end for each. So we will pass here the name of the array. We didn't create any array here. So let's create one. So let's make a products array and let's put in it a car. And let's put, for example, a pizza. I don't know who will buy a car and a pizza from the same place. And let's put, for example, an orange. And let's put an apple. An apple a day keeps you away from the doctor. I don't know what they say. Okay, so now let's pass this products array to the blade to view it and to loop through it. And let's save this for now, and let's go back to the controller, or to the blade, sorry, and let's loop through this products as product. Okay, and each round we will show the product as an h3. We will show the product. We will close this h3 tag, and let's delete this line, and let's indent this so it will look more beautiful. Let's now go to the browser and refresh this page. Oh wow, and we got the products that we put. The real-time examples or real-time projects will be more complex than that. It will not be an array like that. It will be an array of objects, and the object has, for example, a name and a price and a description and things like that. So that is it for this video for now. I hope you got something useful from it, and see you in the next one. Bye.